New O-mold silicone. We've updated our formula. It's now more efficient, more economical, and offers an impeccable finish. Once cured, it reduces air bubbles, leaving a smoother, cleaner, and less porous surface. It withstands everything from the freezer to the oven, up to 220 degrees Celsius. See how easy it is to create custom molds with the techniques we show you below. We'll start by creating a mold using plaster olives. Spread the pieces on the bottom of a plastic container and fix them with a strong instant glue. It's important to leave space between each piece so the liquid silicone can flow properly and capture every shape with maximum definition. We can also use marbles to make perfect mini spheres. This type of container is ideal for small pieces or for those you want to replicate in series. These other pieces were made with a 3D printer, and the process will be exactly the same. You can reproduce almost any shape, although we'll see which method works best for each type of piece. Now we'll mix the silicone. We'll calculate the amount needed to fully cover our mold. Measure the container where the shapes are placed, length times width times height. For the height, as shown here in the transparent container, always add half a centimeter above the tallest object to ensure full coverage. With this calculation, we get the volume, and we'll use that same number as the weight of silicone we need to prepare. Add components A and B in equal parts into a mixing jug until you reach the total weight previously calculated. Now mix the silicone carefully, slowly and without shaking to avoid bubbles. Once the mixture is ready, we can fill the containers. Pour the silicone in and fill the container until everything is completely covered. Remember to always leave half a centimeter above the tallest piece. Make sure the silicone reaches every corner. Some bubbles may appear, but they will disappear on their own as the silicone settles. Before, we needed a vacuum machine to remove them, but with this new formula it's no longer necessary. The bubbles dissipate by themselves. Let the silicone cure for 24 hours. Make sure the surface where it rests is perfectly level so the mold sets evenly. Once the silicone is fully cured, we can demold. Start by loosening the edges and removing the silicone block from the container. For round pieces, like marbles or olives, make small cuts in the silicone. This helps remove them without deforming the mold and will make it much easier to unmold chocolates, ice creams or mousses later on. As you'll see, the surface is smooth and uniform. This new formula is very low porosity, which makes the mold much more hygienic and prevents odor absorption. Its flexibility is also ideal for kitchen use, making unmolding any preparation much easier. For flat pieces, like the sticks or the 3D sardines, simply remove the mold. The pieces remain stuck to the bottom of the container, ready to start the next mold. We can refine the outer edges of the block. Use a cutter to trim and smooth any extra material. This small trick helps achieve a cleaner, easier to handle mold. The system is always the same, resulting in a flexible, clean, high-quality mold.